So now we are moving towards the valedictory function. Okay. So in valedictory function we have a address by the coordinator, address by the respected HOD sir. We have a group photo session, feedback. Okay, exam already we have conducted, and we have a concluding remarks. So all of you are instructed to switch on your video so that we can have a group photo.
हाँ देखा
सुधांशु
Yes sir.
सर देख रहे हैं खसे सर?
Yes sir. Khase sir is there, so we are going to start the session now. I think most of the participants have joined. 25 participants have joined. So can I start?
Yes.
Okay. So today we are here in this validatory function of this online five days FDP on the topic flow characteristics and turbulent statistics in the LVL channel, that is organized by Civil Engineering Department and sponsored by ATAL AICT. So I would like to welcome Dr. R.V. Khasia sir, Head of Civil Engineering Department, Dr. R.K. Jain sir, Course Coordinator of this FDP, Professor Utkarsh Nigam, Co-Coordinator of this FDP, all the faculty members who have joined, students and all the dear participants. A very good evening to all of you. Now we have come to the last session of this FDP of a 5-day FDP on the flow characteristics and turbulence statistics in LVL channel. So the FDP mainly focused on the various aspects of the fluvial hydraulics, turbulence, flow measurement, latest development in this field, and also we have seen some of the demonstration through videos and images. We have go through the various research papers also, and it is mandatory for one to know the basics in order to satisfy the purpose for the research and acceptable conclusion and all the setups for in the field of research. So the Department of the Civil conducted this 5-day FDP to create and disseminate the knowledge of all the advanced aspects related to this technology and in the field which is useful in the field of fluvial hydraulics and turbulence, apart from generating new knowledge which is useful for the society. So the objective of this FDP is to get you familiar with the latest advancement, basics of turbulence, different laws related to turbulence, what are the important parameters that characterize the flow, and where it can be useful. So the FDP proves to be a success with participation of all the participants. The sessions were very well handled by the renowned experts of the domain from reputed institutes. Before we proceed further, I would like to have a feedback from the participants and suggestions regarding this FDP. So I would like to invite dear participants. So anyone from you can give your valuable feedback.
Yes. Yes, sir. May I?
Yes, Samnam.
Sir, we got as a student of first year in Masters of Water Resource Management, we got deep insights into the various concepts of turbulence, what is happening near the bed surface, what are the various concepts of aggradation, degradation, and how can we achieve some processes to stop that aggradation and degradation. We got to know about various instruments, about the ADV and various methods of how to use that ADV and to collect various data and to process that data into various graphs and plots, and hence we got deep insight into what is the basic functioning of turbulence that is happening near the bed surface. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Samnam, for your valuable feedback. Anybody else?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, while in the work from home scenario, okay, sir, everything was in halt, and there were a lot of training happening all around the India, and that was the time when I was very curious about who actually are the agencies who are providing the trainings, and I have extensively found out that there are a lot of departments of Government of India and the establishment of Government of India who are providing these kind of trainings in free of cost. Okay, it should be free of cost basically for the benefit of mass. Now, it has never occurred that civil engineering training of this kind has ever been done on a scale like this, because it has happened that some advanced training is happening where people are discussing about the advancement in individual fields. But this was the very first case that I remember that all of the faculties have been focusing on this topic. Now, I have attended the session, as I was saying, I have attended sessions of 1 or 2 faculties in a training, but this is the very first time a training like this has been done. So I have benefited a lot by this training, and actually I can say that it was a hands-on. In some aspect, there were discussions done that were very helpful to actually carry out the work. Most of the training, due to the time constraint, many times it happens that we cannot do any hands-on. But this training has helped us very much to do some hands-on. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Neerav ji, for your valuable feedback. Any other participant?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
First
Neville
of
ji.
all, I would like to thankful to
Yes.
all the
So please,
coordinators.
Neville ji, please, before starting, please let us know your designation or your department from where you belong, so that every participants will have some background. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Myself, Neville Trambadia, currently working as a lecturer in Civil Engineering Department at Sir Bhavsiji Polytechnic, Bhavnagar. First of all, I would like to thankful our coordinator R.K. Jain sir and all both coordinators Sudhanshu Dixit sir and Utkarsh Nigam sir. Actually, this program helps to sharpen our knowledge in the field of water resources, especially in case of turbulent statistics for open channel as well as laboratory experiments. Actually, sir, I know that it is very difficult to measure the flow in three-dimensional. Since many years we have measured such type of data in one-dimensional, and our government officials and departments also measure such data in one-dimensional since many years. Through this program, we learned about the application of ADV and all other statistics. And sir also give the best examples and experiments, and also share the videos. We also learn about scouring effect for spur dikes and around the bridge piers. We also, sir, actually, I would like to thankful to our experts, Dr. B. Ramesh sir, Dr. Today's expert, our Lakshmi Narayan sir, Dr. Ashish sir, and Dr. P.L. Patel sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, sir, your mic is muted.
Yes. Thank you so much, Neville ji, for your valuable feedback.
Okay.
Any other participant?
Hello, sir.
Deepak,
Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello.
This is
Hello.
this is Dr. Umesh Kumar Singh. Currently, I am
Yes.
working at KL University, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. Yes, sir. So I am very thankful for this for the witness of this ATAL-FDP. I thanks to all the members of ATAL-FDP. Generally, it's very rare to see the FDP on the turbulence, especially in the hydraulics. So to be the part of this one, I am very happy. And in this platform, I met to my good Dr. R.K. Jain sir, Rajesh Kumar Jain sir is there. Dr. Ashish sir also there. Dr. Ramesh conveyed the lecture here. So after a very long time, I seen them, and namaskar to all the gurus. I closely associated work with them in my during my PhD IIT Roorkee at them. So it is very nice experience to see, and would like to continue such type of events. Thank you very much.
thank you,
Thank you
Umesh.
so much.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Other participants?
Hello, sir. Voice is audible.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Sir, I am Deepak Kanpal from GP Dahod. Currently working as a lecturer at Government Polytechnic Dahod. Previously, I have also done teaching in the graduation college also. And after just after the government appointment, I have joined the diploma college. Previous 2 years, I was working in the Parul University, and before that also I have worked from St. Teresa's College, Institute of Technology, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. And actually, my MTech topic was sedimentation. That is why I found this particular training is very interesting. And इसमें बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स ऐसे मैंने सुने, मतलब कि मैं ऐसा तो नहीं बोलूंगा कि I have learned, just I have listened the various aspect of the sedimentation calculation, or we can say the turbulence statistics related to the sedimentation. एंड मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मतलब कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मतलब कि जो मेरा मतलब कि रिसर्च करने का एक जो मेरे भीतर कुछ था तो वो फिर से बाहर मतलब कि आने को हुआ, ऐसा लगा मुझे ये ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद। तो मतलब कि अचानक से मुझे टीचिंग से अच्छा रिसर्च वर्क लगने लगा, मतलब कि ये ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद, मैं ऐसा कह सकता हूँ।
Thank you so much, Deepak sir. Actually, field ही ऐसी है. I was also started my masters in this field, in this domain, and published good work. And then again, during this FDP, I recalled all the previous days. So this is very interesting field actually.
Sir, actually, the problem is government. The problem with government is that they don't provide any extra leave or anything for the PhD work. Okay, so we have to manage with our leave. That's why I couldn't continue the PhD work, or I didn't even apply for the PhD.
Yes.
For just because of not having any leave.
Yes. Some constraints are there in our system, but we have to go through with this and try to optimize the day-to-day things. Yes, any other suggestion?
Sir,
feedback?
but I can say that, sir, I can say that I would be fortunate if I can do my PhD under Dr. Rajesh Jain, sir.
Yes, definitely you can contact, you can meet. Definitely, we have a very nice experts in our system itself. So if you found that it is very good, you can start preparing your research proposal. Then you can submit it to sir and for further process. That is very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Any other feedback from the participant side? आप लोग फीडबैक दीजिए, आप जो भी आपको लगा अच्छा या फिर जो इम्प्रूवमेंट फेज है, जो भी आप बताना चाहते हैं, यू कैन से.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, myself Ronit Bhavsar, working as a lecturer in KD Polytechnic Patan in Civil Engineering Department. Sir, I want to say that all the sessions are really interactive and very informative. I thoroughly enjoyed the sessions of Dr. Rajesh Jain sir, Dr. Ashish Kumar sir, your session Sudhanshu sir. From this training, we get the deep knowledge of certain topics like ADV, acoustic Doppler velocimeter, about spur dikes, Reynolds stress, contraction score, and many more. I want to thank the team of Dr. R.K. Jain sir, Sudhanshu sir, and Utkarsh Nigam sir for organizing such a beautiful training, which can get us the very deep knowledge about these certain things. So I want to thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Any feedback from female participants? Any feedback जो भी आपको लगा हो अच्छा, आपने कुछ नया सीखा हो, या फिर आपको कोई नया एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मिल गया हो आपके प्रोजेक्ट प्रपोजल के लिए, पीएचडी के लिए. Roshan is there? Roshan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. You can say
Really
something.
enjoyed the session, sir. Since 5 days, we have enjoyed all the sessions thoroughly. But particularly, we are thankful to our Jan sir, you who has conducted this type of classes for us, sir. And we are really grateful for all of you, sir. We have also enjoyed our experts. We have gathered various knowledge in hydraulic engineering regarding turbulence, and yesterday which we have discussed about vegetation topics. That was also very interesting, sir. And I think we will be very much interested in our PhD work for the vegetation. We will try to take it forward, sir.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much.
We really enjoyed the session, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So any other participants want to give feedback? or we can move to the next HOD speech. So now I request, I think Dr. Arvind Khasia sir is there. So now I request head of the department, Dr. Arvind Khasia sir, to say a few words regarding this FDP.
Thank you, Sudhanshu.
Yes.
I would like to thank FD coordinator Dr. R.K. Jain, Professor Sudhanshu Dixit, and Professor Utkarsh Nigam for successfully conducting these 5 days FDP. More than 40 participants from different states of the country have joined this FDP organized by our Civil Engineering Department, LDC, and sponsored by ATAL-AICT. I would like to thank all the experts who have delivered lectures during last 5 days from reputed institute. I am quite sure that this course will enhance the skill and knowledge of participants in this field. I lastly request to all participants to upload their suggestions and feedback on ATAL portal about this course so department improve in coming future time. At the end, I express my gratitude to all coordinator, Professor R.K. Jain, Professor Sudhanshu Dixit, Professor Utkarsh Nigam for grand success of this FDP and hoping for again this type of FDP in future. So thanks all participants for attending this course. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your nice, wonderful words. So now I would like to invite Dr. Rajesh Jain, sir, coordinator of this FDP, who mainly have done this all exercise of expert topics and each and everything for this FDP. So welcome, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, every participant. Our team.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, 5 दिन से तो मैं बोल ही रहा हूँ. It will not be good to speak much right now, but outside I would say the support which is given by you people, you people were our stakeholder. Had we not there, probably this certain training program would have not been successful. Especially our early students, Samnan, Roshan, actively participated. Three of the participants, Deepak, Neville, Meera, Bhavsar, and even I do remember, if I forget to tell the name, Dennis is there, Javed, Navid, everybody. So this topic, it is a little bit difficult to understand rather because those who are directly related with this topic, probably they would have enjoyed. But this is an experimental study. Throughout all lectures, we had discussed something about the experiment and some outcome of the experiment. So I hope that you would have enjoyed and you have learned a lot from this study. And at least a few of them, if they carry forward this work in near future for their PhD works or their dissertation work, then probably the target or success of this course can be spoken out. So I thank all the participants. Dr. Umesh Kumar Singh joining as a guest during various lectures. Dr. Ashish is also there on our request. He was there. He is present in our valedictory session all the way from Solan, Himachal Pradesh. He has taken 2 good lectures in our FDP. And all those speakers who have been there on their foot since one day, day one, I have to tell to them कि कल आपका लेक्चर है, तैयार करिए. उनका फिर रिक्वेस्ट आता है, कुछ चेंज करते हैं और सब कुछ. और 3-4 लेक्चर मैंने भी दिए. आज का लेक्चर ह्यूमन कंसर्न्स, एवरीथिंग लाइक. So by God grace at the end, Almighty God, He is always there to fulfill all the desire which we plan accordingly. If we plan really hardly, fulfill. So thank you all for joining this 5 days FTP. That's all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. So I would like to submit gratitude to all who have involved in this FDP, 5-day FDP. I would like to, firstly, I would like to grateful to our respected principal ma'am, our respected head of the department, and also Atal AICT Atal, who accept our FDP proposal. Secondly, I am grateful to all the experts who share their valuable knowledge with the participants. Our heartfelt gratitude to the civil engineering department, and a special thanks to my associate co-coordinator, Professor Utkarsh Nigam, who is also working in the backfield. Untiring efforts are there. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the participants. I would like to thank you all for making it more interactive learning experience. Hope the FDP was fruitful to you, and we will try to keep carrying back with such type of FDP in coming future also. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Sudhanshu,
much.
Yes,
will all participants have to submit feedback in portal?
yes,
So
yes,
that
definitely.
information
All
also
the
you can give.
participants, आप लोग को पता होगा FDP जब हम लोग करते हैं अटल के थ्रू, तो we have to submit the feedback also. Once you have complete the feedback in the Atal portal, then only your certificate will generate by Atal. ठीक है, so it is compulsory.
In our individual profile, sir.
Yes, in your individual profile, you see there is
Okay.
a feedback option. In feedback option, you have to give feedback. After submission of your feedback, after 24 hours, it will take to generate your certificate.
Okay.
And once
Thank
we
you,
are
sir.
uploading
Sir.
your marks and attendance, then you can able to see that also.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes. I was trying to give the
Feedback is
feedback,
compulsory on
but
Atal
it
portal.
says yes to be
Okay.
approved.
Hope you all enjoyed. We have Utkarsh sir also joined in this FDP. So thank you, sir, for joining.
Good evening, sir, to
Yes.
respected HOD, sir, respected Jain, sir, and all the participants. I would like to thank Dr. Jain, sir, and Sudhanshu, sir, for the success of this event. And I was able to help from DT itself. Gently from help Pati side. And thank you so much for our respected and honorable HOD, sir, for always providing the opportunity to carry out such type of the STTPs. We are also ready, faculty development program this time. We are also ready with one more STTP to be organized in March under the mentorship of HOD sir and Dr. Jain sir. So I would like to invite you all in that as well. So thank you very much to Jain sir and Dikshit sir.
Thank you, thank you. So thank you all. We will meet again in the coming FDPs. If you have any doubt, any query at any time, you can write a mail to us. We will try to give our best to you all from on the behalf of Civil Engineering Department, LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. So thank you.
Sure, sir.
Namaskar.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Namaskar,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir.
Namaskar.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.